Alright everybody, welcome to eBay break number 11. Tonight we're doing 5 boxes, 2014-15 totally certified basketball. Good luck to everybody. And here we go, box 1. 4 packs a box, 1 hit, 4 parallels per pack. Pack 1, good luck. Taj Gibson for the Bulls. PJ Hairston. Jabari Parker, rookie. First hit, oh nice. For the Cavaliers, clear cloth, LeBron James, 127 of 199. Not picking it up, is it? No, sorry.
That's how it needs to be.
Last card of the box, Zach Randolph of the pack. Pack 2. Ricky Rubio. Nikola Mortic. Die cut for the Hawks, 83 of 135, Paul Millsap. Next hit, clear cloth for the Pelicans, 48 of 199, Tariq Evans. Last card of the box, Kemba Walker. Of the pack. I don't know why I keep saying box. Forgive me. Pack 3, box 1. David Robinson. Die cut for the Grizzlies, 3 of 25, Marc Gasol. Certified skills for the Wizards, John Wall. $64 of $299. And for the Clippers, 193 of 199, DeAndre Jordan, jersey. CJ McCollum. Pack 4, box 1. Ooh. Pistol Pete for the Hawks. Red, Steven Adams of the Thunder. 181 of 279. Another red for the Hawks. Adrian Payne. 20 of 279. This is your auto. For the Pistons, Rick Mahorn, 20 of 25. Sticker auto. Get it in there in a minute. And final, Steph Curry. Base. Box 2. Good luck. Pack 1, box 2. Nicholas Batum, base. For the Cavaliers, die cut, 18 of 74, Joe Harris. For the Celtics, 265 of 279, red, rookie card, Marcus Smart. The hit is for the Clippers, 10 of 199, epic, Blake Griffin. Single jersey. It's not gonna fit. I'm going to get a bigger one for that one. I got some up there. And Marc Gasol, base. There's some big ones up there. Now there should be a pack open. Alright, we got it ready. That's alright. Leave them right there. Alright, box 2, pack 2. Al Jefferson, base. 260 of 279 for the Kings. Ben McLemore, red. For the Lakers, Karl Malone, base. This is your auto. For the Knicks, a little old school. 5 of 25, Willis Reed. Select few signatures. Sticker auto. Tony Parker, base. Pack 3, box 2. Joe Johnson, base. Rodney Hood, rookie card. eBay 101, 001 of 299 for the Warriors. Steph Curry, Great American Heroes. $170 of 199 for the Spurs. Kawhi Leonard, jersey. Ray Allen. Last pack, box 2. Andre Drummond, base. Tyler Enos, rookie card. Scottie Pippen, base. For the Trailblazers. Roy Hibbert for the Pacers. 164 of 249, jersey. Russell Westbrook, base. All right, guys, box 3. Pack 1, box 3. Aaron Affilio, base. For the Lakers, 163 of 279, red, Magic Johnson. For the Magic, 192 of 299, Grant Hill, Great American Heroes. Your auto for the Grizzlies, 29 of 299, Janelle Stokes, rookie roll call, auto, looks like on card. And Kyrie Irving, base. Tyshawn Prince, base. Dante Exum for the Jazz, base. Actually, rookie card. For the Timberwolves, rookie card, Andrew Wiggins. And for the Magic, 22 of 199, Elfrid Payton. Nice little 2-color rookie card jersey. Enes Kanter for the Jazz. base. Pack 3, box 3. Elgin Baylor, Lakers. A little old school. Joel Embiid for the Sixers, rookie card. For the Timberwolves, Glenn Robinson III, die cut, 82 of 135, red, rookie card. For the Wizards, Paul Pierce, 69 of 249, jersey. And Chris Bosh for the Heat. Last pack, box 3. Dirk Nowitzki, base. For the OKC Thunder, Mitch McGary, 40 of 74, blue die cut rookie card. For the Bulls, Doug McDermott, 103 of 149, purple. Next hit is for the Rockets, 88 of 149, Dwight Howard, epic, dual jersey. And the last card is Jared Sullinger, base for the Celtics. All right, guys, box 4. We do have 14-15 totally certified again tomorrow night and Friday night. And tomorrow night we also have a 5-box mixer of 2014 football. And then Friday night we have a mixer of 2012-13 basketball. So check out our eBay bid away. All bids start at 99 cents. And best of luck. Pack 1, box 4. And all cards do ship. Bets, base, everything. Sean Kemp. For the Spurs, 279 of 279. Another one of them eBay 101s. Manny Ginobili, red. For the Bucks, 219 of 279, Johnny O'Brien, red. Okay, we got the auto first pack. 90 of 99 for the Kings, Ray McCollum. Sticker, Future Stars auto. And Ben McLemore, base. Alright, pack 2, box 4. Good luck. Mark Gasol, base. CJ Wilcox, rookie card for the Clippers. Clippers back to back. Chris Paul, base. I believe we got 2 autos in this one. Andrew Bogut. Andrew Bogut for the Warriors. Yeah, we ship every card, man. Everything. When we do like rookies and stars football 14, man, my wife gets so mad because I got so many vet base in there. She's like, "Oh, you're crazy." Looks like I got another auto here for the Timberwolves. I'm gonna beat this up a little bit. I'm sure I'm not real good with basketball names. Gorgu Ding, I'm guessing. 20 of 25. And forgive me if I butchered it. Future Stars sticker auto. He did that pretty easy. GD. Pretty simple. Yeah, we ship all cards because we feel you paid for them, so they're yours. And that's just a dummy. Alright, box 4, pack 3. Serge Ibaka, base. Oh, nice. Goran Dragic for the Suns. Believe this is the gold version. 10 of 10. Come on, give me some focus, baby. There you go. Nice. Nice gold. We got a Kobe here for the Lakers, 225 of 299. Certified excellence. Kobe. And the hit is for the Grizzlies. Clear cloth, single color, 168 of 299. Vince Carter. And Jeff Green, base for the Celtics. Finished playing over them. Ray Allen for the Heat, base. Oh, pretty nice card coming up, looks like. For the Cavaliers, Joe Harris rookie card. Not quite sure what we got coming up here. Have a die cut, 12 of 135 for the Trailblazers. Nicholas Batum, red. And Harrison Barnes for the Warriors, base. Not sure what this next one is. I don't know if I pulled one of these in any of these boxes yet. It is for the Warriors, 90 of 99. Andre Iguodala, the die cut jersey. I think this actually, I remember somebody saying something about this is like a puzzle piece, and you can get like the teammate, and you put them together, and it makes like a team card. I believe that's what this is. So not bad. I believe that was the purpose of making the die cuts on the, but I could be mistaken. Alright guys, 5th and final box. Best of luck. We can get something big out of here, something nice to finish it off. And again, we have breaks going all the way through Saturday night, so we hope to see you back. Last box, pack 1. Oscar Robertson, base. For the Knicks, 22 of 49, Patrick Ewing, purple. Bill Walton for the Trailblazers, Great American Heroes, 238 of 299. Jeff Teague, Hawks, base card. First hit, Anthony Early for the Knicks, 113 of 190, 199, blue. Last box, pack 2. For the Mavericks, base, Tyson Chandler. Rookie card, TJ Warren for the Suns. And we have a purple for the Sixers, rookie card, Joel Embiid. 117 of 149. DeMarco Cousins, Kings, base. Next hit, Michael Kidd Gilchrist for the Hornets. 6 of 199. Clear cloth. Two packs left. Should be at least one auto. Wilt Chamberlain, Lakers. For the Knicks, red, Patrick Ewing. 157 of 279. For the Spurs, Kawhi Leonard. 240 of 279. And this is the pack with your auto. First we have DeMar DeRozan, base, Raptors. Auto's going a little old school. 81 of 99, certified competitor for the Sixers. On card, Maurice Cheeks. Yeah, boys. And a dummy. Joakim Noah for the Bulls, base. Gary Harris, Nuggets, rookie card. Kawhi Leonard, base. Dion Waiters, base for the Cavaliers. The last hit of the break is for the Mavericks. Dirk Nowitzki, clear cloth, 56 of 299. All right, guys, that's the end of the break. We do have some personal boxes if anybody wants to get into that. We have Fire, Valier, 15. We have 14 Rookies and Stars. We have 12, 13 Elite Basketball. Is Random working tonight? Okay, all right, we're going to give this a shot. Every time we do this, Random just... And we never can seem to get it right, but we do have 2 Lanyard packs. We try to do these for every break. You know, we are down from New Orleans. Lanyard's just a little something extra. We do is we take all 30 teams, we put them in random. We roll the dice, we random them. And the top 2 teams get the 2 Lanyard packs. If you're in the room, you can pick which pack you want if you're on the top. And if you want us to open it or just ship it like it is, if you're not in the room, top name gets 1, second name gets 2, and we ship them sealed. So, all right, here we go. Roll the dice. 5 times. All teams are in, 1 through 30. Two. 3, 4, and 5. We have the Sixers in the 1 spot and the Mavericks in the 2 spot. Where's the marker? Let me write that down.
So we got Sixers is...
One of these. 1 spot is Sixers. Number 2 is Mavericks.
Sixers is Dine on Steak.
Dine on Steak. Give me my chat back. Chat back. Is the Sixers or the Mavericks in the room? Either or.
And the Mavericks are...
It tells you right there. Dallas.
F gone. FG Online. G Online.
FG Online. That was my chat. Kill me, dog. Okay, guys. Are the Sixers or Mavericks? Either one in the room right now.
Well, yeah, they're probably in the room. They just don't have an account to chat.
Well, if you don't have an account to chat, throw something at the screen. That was a joke. Don't hit my screen. Okay, alright, well, we're gonna assume neither one is in, so pack one will go to the Sixers. And this is break number 11. And pack two is for the Mavericks. Break number 11. There you have it. These will be shipped with your cards. Alright, give me my screen back and my chat. You can stop the YouTube video.